All right, today is August 8th, 2024. I'm going to go over my levels for ES, NQ, and VIX. Um, I didn't do anything the night before, so it's going to be a clean slate. So what I'm going to do is first clear my charts. I'm reviewing some of my emotional things where I wanted to hold price above this and let it run down. I ended up exiting because I thought price was going to just nick me out. Instead of holding to the left trade, I let about another $200 to $300 go, which is about 20 points on like one ES contract. 20 to what is that? Yeah, about 23 points on one ES contract. So it was like an additional 1 to 200. Um, but that's neither here nor there. So nothing I can do about it. I can't cry about it. Just gotta keep it moving. So all right, so let's get started. Let's clear up the charts and then just look for some levels. We have about 45 minutes, 44 minutes before the market opens. All right, so the thing that's been happening is that price had a severe drop starting on the first. Um, we hit. Let's go to a daily chart, and I'm gonna go to a plain chart here. We had a severe drop here. Started here. We had some nice pullback. Oh wow, look at that. Wish I noted that. That would have been good. I wonder what that looks like. Curiosity hits the mind. Let's delete that. Right here, it's a dead space, and then we had selling right here, right? So we had selling right here, dead space, selling, pause, pause, it's massive sell. Oh, what's going on with the dead space here? That price decided to come back to it way later, right? Boom, right to it. So just gonna quickly mark these. My charts out. Alright, so nice price movement, nice sell, price held. Let's go into the regular charts for a minute and let's see. That looks good. Nice movement. It was a gap also. Okay, so price went to it, didn't sell off right away. Sold off the next day. Sold off the 31 one. Yeah, sold off the next day, which is where I was saying that price took a dump. Alright, so let's go back to Heikin Ashi. And then let's go down. Let's do 8 hours first, just to take a look. That looks good. 4 hours, let's take a look. Zoom out. Price had a nice move up, consolidate, and then drop at the morning. So consolidated in the overnight session and then drop. Nice price action right away. Selling here, buying. Okay, and then let's go to 1 hour. Zoom out. All right, still a nice upward price action, a nice push in the overnight session, a reclaim or a retest here, and then an open sell-off. So probably could have gotten something here. I'm gonna mark this like that. I'm gonna come back to it on the 30-minute, which is where I usually mark my levels. Alright, but I want to see if there's a retest there. Alright, last level to look at, last time frame to look at before actually strong sell, price push down, bounce, bounce, and then massive sell off. All right, and right now we're consolidating. So let's look at this real quickly. Nice, great selling here, but no continuation. Price moved up, hit that level again. Strong buying, couldn't get above, and then push down. All right, and then from here, all right, I wouldn't mark this. I probably would have marked. I don't have any selling here. I mean, I don't have any buying. There's no buying levels that I trust. I mean, maybe, but I don't really trust that. Maybe this one here. I like how we bounce off of that one, but this is where it starts. So this is probably how I would have it marked. All right. So let's see how price reacts at this low, breaking it. Let's go into a 5-minute chart. Let's take off Heikin Ashi. Let's zoom out and let's go back. So here, looks like we just broke it, and that was that. So maybe it looks better on the 1-minute chart. Maybe this pullback that we broke, and then we broke lower. So probably couldn't get us a trade probably around here 10 o'clock once we broke that level that I had left, and then maybe we'll get like a channel somewhere in there. And if we go to the 1-minute, and then I'm gonna go back to that same area because I saw something on the 5-minute. All right, so like this. So boom, like that. I like this better. So start here. Is that about 10 points? So I'm probably on 5 micros. Like that. And I just let price ride itself down to probably midday, probably around. Oh hell no, I wouldn't have liked any of that. I like this pull, and then let's manage this on a 5-minute. Alright, so what would I have put my stop? Would I push down? So my stop would have been here. Right, that's our next swing high, and sell off, push up. What did it kiss? This one here, kiss that. I think it would kiss this here. Came back, kissed, needs to hold, push down. What did it kiss? There's no volume here. Alright, but it's still pushed, and then price just right. So that was that. So potential nice trade, even if you just got 33 points versus that. 33 points is good. Alright, so back to that. What I did see was this here. I like this push up into it. I like this channel here. Alright, we broke. I don't see any true wicks that I like, but I like this break, and I also like this retest. Alright, so if I go back to the 1-minute, and then I'm gonna go get into my charts. And there we go. So we have that nice push sell. Came back, retested, and probably could have entered here. So if I did this, and if I'm aiming for this lot right here, stop loss about here. Well, this is about 10 points itself. 10 points. So as price push up and freak me out a bit, and it starts to move down, once we get here, I can start, I'm micromanaging it. Here we did have that pullback. There we go. We had a pullback and then drop. Yep. We had a nice pullback right here and then drop. So like this one here, about 3 points. This would have been a nice one. 23 points here. Hold, nice sell. Don't like this rebound. Nice sell. This is probably where I have to exit. Don't like this at all. And could have held price up here maybe. Yeah, so there's a lot of potentials there from that daily chart. So what I was saying is that we started to sell off up here, and you see on a Heikin Ashi, and right now we've been basically consolidating inside of these levels. I'm trying to figure out where are we bouncing off of. I do like this here. Just have this area is where we're at. But where did buying start? That's the question. And we have all this price action. I see this one have sell. Right? Buying would have to start from here, which I don't too much trust, but that would be where buying came in at. Regular candle. Alright, so that's the target on the daily. Alright, so what can I do about any of this? Well, basically we've been in this tight range where price hasn't really been moving a lot. You see all these wicks, like we'll go up, down, up. We're basically right around here. We did have a gap. I think this is the gap that I was trying to get filled a while back. Where is the gap? Yeah, I think it was one of these here. Wow, we got more gaps. So we filled this gap yesterday. We have this gap here, and then that's basically truly it. We could say that, oh, maybe price will fill in these two gaps right here, which is a possibility. All right, so let's go to my regular chart, and let's start clearing some of the noises that I have. Price is currently moving up. Price is at 5270, which is right around here. So doing a big retracement from this here, from this strong selling, but no volume. Right? Maybe we'll have a stronger sell up here. I really wish I marked this right here. But I marked my gap up there. I should have had a better daily gap. I think because I was looking at the 30-minute, that my gap was way off. Let's do this. Let's see. And that threw me. That really threw me off. It did. This is what I should have had. This would have been a better freaking trade. Yep. This would have been that. I put it up here when I should have had it for here on the daily. Yeah. So probably for my next part is look for daily gaps. So when I see gaps, I look for them on the daily to mark them. Alright, so let's get into the nitty gritty. Let's clear out our trades. All of these are from the pullbacks that we had on the 5-minute yesterday. We had some nice pullback and drop. Started from up here, drop when we fill that gap, and then we hit that level that I have on the Heikin Ashi. and you just kept doing this, right? And then this is where I entered, and this is where I exit. Didn't take the whole trade down. All right, so I'm gonna go into the 30-minute chart. I'm gonna clear all of this noise that I don't need anymore. All of this can go. I think I did. No, it's still there. Okay. Go, go. Whole number can stay, but don't really too much care about it. All right. Can go. This can stay. That's where the level came from. Can go. Okay. All of this can probably go as well. All right. Let's add value area high and low. We have about. That took about 16 minutes. I have about 30 minutes before the market opens, 29 minutes. So I'm gonna move a little faster. Let's go to the Heikin-Ashi. Actually, before I go into that, let's do NQs. I'm not sure how far NQ went down, so I'm not going to delete anything here off of NQ as of yet. So this one also has a P formation. That's fine. Right, the ES. Let's get rid of the value area. Let's expand it. Yeah. Let's go into our Heikin-Ashi. Alright, so we hit that 50% mark again and bounce. So now I need to see where did selling start. Right here is a big selling mark. So right here, I like this one. It matches well with value area high. And then where did buying turn? I don't have anything. I have this here, which is my level still. So I don't really have anything. So I'm still looking. I'll probably be looking for sells where we create a supply and sell off, or we just decide to dump. I would mark this. Sure or not. This is probably value area. It's probably point of control. Oh, point of control is higher. Okay. Fair enough. Alright, so I'm gonna mark that there because we had buying that failed and then selling that came in. And then I'm gonna leave the lower part here marked since we haven't retested it. I'm gonna look at it at the higher time frame. I'm gonna leave this here like that. It's a buying area still. This one has truly been destroyed, but I don't see any buying that came in. Still have selling up here. That's fine. All right. Whoa. Yeah. So that's where we at. All right. So those are basically my levels. I don't have any true pre-market levels. None of these I can trust. So let's go into settlement. And I'm gonna look further into that news that came out. Let me move this over here. Let it load. Interesting. Probably gonna delete that. Not probably not gonna even keep that there. Okay. Cool. All right. So that's basically it. Let's look at yeah, and Q was consolidating right up that the area got marked. All right. Yeah, see, we did fill the gap on TradingView. On EX, we just didn't. That's crazy. 5357. I don't know why I didn't have that. That would have been a perfect trade to be in. 5357. Um, yep, that would have been a perfect trade to be in. Let's see why I don't have that as a form as a gap. Why is my gap way up here? I mismarked it. Yeah, I did mismark it. How did I mismark this thing? Yeah, I did a horrible job marking this gap. No, this is the gap, right? This is the gap line. I marked it up here. Why? Why did I mark it here? I definitely mismarked this gap. I don't know how I got up there. Let's do this. Okay. That's where it is. So I marked it like this. But price did not care. So why is it different? Extended hours. See, in extended hours, this is down here. And that's a perfect gap. Yep, that should have been my trade. It is what it is. All right, so we had news come out here. So I'm gonna go into the lower time frame on the 5 minute and see what I can find. Let me look at the 15 minute real quick to see if I can make any sense of any of this. I do like this pullback. This is probably where I got into that trade. Okay, so this is a key area. We did bounce off of it. All right, let's go into the 5 minute. Okay, I don't know what to make of that 5 minute. So I'm gonna stay here with it. I'm gonna look at volume. I cannot find anything really. This is the widest spots that I got. So settlement price is where we came off of. Both of them came off a settlement price. So, and well, truly, I don't have anything to work with as far as well, I do have these levels here. So anything in between is basically might be noise because we had strong selling at the end, and then we stopped and we're reversing. We're reversing off of no buying volume until we got back above somewhat settlement. All right, I could say buying didn't really start up here. We did have buying down here. That changed prices direction. Right here, you see buying, price push up, came down, probably had a nice little angle, or whatchamacallit, boom, that, had a nice little double top, double bottom, and then price broke. Alright, and then if we go to the 1 minute, we'll clean that up a bit. Alright, right here, boom, alright, double bottom, buy up here, stop loss down here. What is that, about 15 or 5 points? 7 points? No, probably even a little deeper. Boom, we hit our 2-1, held, news came out, gave us a nice move. Which price? This was at 612 at the gym at that time. So this look good. Price is moving. So with VIX, what can I do with VIX? What can I find with VIX? Where did we initially start selling? Couldn't really tell you. We're selling somewhere. Okay, so I'm basically done. I can't find anything. I mean, this is probably be a selling point right here. Alright, but that's basically where I'm at with this. Not gonna stress it. Put this back to the 30 and put everything back. I'm basically done for my pre-market. all I can do now is just wait to see how price reacts. I have my level here for ES and Q. This is my level. All of this really up to here. So I have to see how price reacts all the way up to this point here. If we'll continue moving up or we start finding rejection. So that's it. I'll be back in the evening if I take in the trade and see how I manage my motion start the day.